Hey guys, I wanted to come to you and share this haul. I have been getting people emailing me like, why are you not sharing your food? Well guys, I did tell you guys I was stepping away and refiguring this whole channel thing. And I know for sure I'm going to continue with DIYs and how-tos at this time. So this video that you're seeing right now, I'm getting ready to load it up as I give it to you in its current. Most of the other videos y'all have been seeing, unless you hear me say it's current, I'm talking to you right now. Those are old videos. I told you guys I had lots of videos that I did not share with you guys. And because I went through the time to do the work, I was going to still share those with you guys. But at this time, I won't be vlogging and, you know, being all in the camera and all that craziness at this time because I'm focused and very busy, like ridiculously busy. Thank God. I'm grateful for it. But yeah, so my diet has been pescatarian. I decided to stick with that a little longer. And what I don't do is dairy, but it's weird because I may eat dairy maybe once or twice a week. So if I eat something with dairy in it, may like sour cream, like for instance, someone told me to try this. I hope this is good. If you're watching this, I hope this is good because I don't really like buying pre-made things like that as much. I like to make my own, but somebody said this is good, so we're gonna try it. So I told you I was gonna share when I do get it. And because I'm so busy, I wanted to get quick stuff for Rizzy to be able to make, and then her snacks and stuff like that she likes, like the kettle chips. These are my coconut cookies here. I been getting her the chocolate chip muffins because I don't have time to bake like that, and I'm not going to be baking a whole bunch because I don't want nothing to go to waste. So I'm just going to go through and show you everything I have and tell you where it's from because I went to Dollar Tree, Aldi's, and Trader Joe's. So we're going to start on this end and everything over here, and I'll let you know when it splits up, goes into Dollar Tree. So Rizzy's request, I know she loves my glazed teriyaki salmon, so I got a big thing of fresh salmon. I got me some blueberries. I got some brioche buns because I also have something I'm going to share with y'all over there on the Trader Joe's side that I was told was really good too. I usually make my own, but I can't do the homemade every day because life has been changing. I have some lemons, grapes. These have been helping my digestive system. Oh my gosh, I did not realize that they were so amazing like that. So I have some sweet corn. So when I do my crab boils, now I did buy a big pound of crabs, but this was a couple of days ago and I already ate some out of them. I did me a crab boil and I just had the corn and some garlic, like little salt potatoes and crab legs. So that's what the corn is for. And I will like shuck that up and cut it and then put it in the freezer and then grab out a couple when I do my little boil. Because I only use one when I do my crab boil. I cut it in half like the two little minis. I got some apple and some cranberry juice. You guys see the muffins. These ones are mine. Those ones are hers. And when I want to treat something sweet and I want to be bad, I will do something like that. And then I have these. Never tried them. I've been in there several times and I wanted to grab them. And I said, I want to try these so bad. Rizzy was like, Mommy, just get them. So I got those. She needed her cream cheese because she has her cream cheese for her little mini bagels that she loves. And she always wants this party tray. Now, I'm not making her eat how I eat or anything like that, but she's transitioning slowly and starting to change up the stuff she wants. But she does love like stuff like this. So when she wants to snack on stuff, she'll have it. And then I bought this lobster mac and cheese, which we are going to cross our fingers. That is good. We got some spinach and we have some spring mix. And that is going to be for, the spinach is going to be for our salmon burgers that I'm going to show you. She got these, I guess she said it's like a taki chip. She loves chips and salty stuff like her dad. I love these Imperial blends. Nuts, they are really good. My favorite is this one with the honey, and these are from Dollar Tree. These are really good. These, I got all my friends loving these, okay? Every time I go somewhere, I take these. That way, if I get hungry, I'll have something to snack on. If I want something sweet, they're not too sweet at all. They are like so perfect. I love them. You see, I got 4 bags and I already got 2 bags up in the cabinet. I like to keep those on deck. I love yogurt covered raisins, so I'm trying to transition my sweets into not such heavy sweets and really bad processed things. These are good. They have roasted black sesame seeds. If you have these at your Dollar Tree, I'm telling you, try them. You're gonna like them. So never tried these before, but I'm hoping that they are pretty good, and I shall let you know if they are or not, I guess. Yeah. So now that's everything from Dollar Tree. Then over here, these cookies are so good, and they're very thin. I'm like, literally 2 pieces of paper make up how thin these are. They're very, very, very thin. Like, and they have a buttery almond taste. Oh my gosh. And I love almond cookies, but those right there have taken the cake for all the almond cookies I've ever tried in my life. Those are the bomb from Trader Joe's. Now, instead of getting fish sticks, I wanted to get the cod breaded fish fillets. Because you know what, Aldi's, they don't have all that artificial flavor and all that craziness. I mean, Trader Joe's, just like Aldi's, because you know they own Trader Joe's and Aldi's are together. They're like owned by the same company. Then these right here, oh my gosh, these for a quick meal with some of this chili sauce from Trader Joe's. Oh, it is life abundantly. I'm telling you, it's life abundantly. And it's just a vegetable samosas. Oh my gosh, y'all, those are amazing. And I wanted to get some better syrup for when I make my homemade waffles or pancakes. So I got that maple syrup, grade A syrup, and we'll see how that tastes. I never tried it before. And then while I was getting those, someone was there. She was vegan, and she was telling me she loved these, and she was like, they're so flavorful. She just takes and put like a teriyaki or a soy glaze or something like that on them. And so I got those to try. And I love oysters. I noticed they have oysters. They're a little bit more expensive, but I'm trying to transition out of paying more for things that I know is better for me, that doesn't have as many artificial flavors, because these are $3 a pack. So I got 3. I have Bumblebee, but I never tried theirs. So if these are better, then that's just what I'm going to go with. And I like to keep those on hand for when I get hungry. I'll grab like some crackers, my chickpea crackers that I make, and I'll eat those with it. And then I was told these are really good. So that's why I got the brioche buns, and I'll do like a spinach and brioche bun, with mayo and stuff, salmon burger. Now I make a mean salmon burger. I'm trying to think, do I have a video up? I cannot, because I'll make it with this. I'll make my salmon burgers with this or with that. Now Rizzy also wants some creamy salmon, so one meal is going to be creamy salmon over yellow rice. One meal is going to be glazed salmon, like glazed teriyaki salmon, and then another meal is going to be a salmon fettuccine made with like vegan cheeses. So yeah. Oh, and she wanted a watermelon. So that is my haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I enjoyed sharing. If you have any questions, leave them below, and I shall talk to you guys later, gators.